Welcome to Motorframe, where speed meets perfection. Today, we dive into the ultimate hypercar, the Bugatti Chiron 2027. Some cars are fast. Some cars are legendary. And then, there's the Bugatti Chiron 2027. Welcome to Motorframe. You've never seen a car like this. This is Bugatti Chiron 2027. Welcome to Motorframe, your front row seat to automotive mastery. Motorframe presents the Bugatti Chiron 2027, speed, luxury, perfection. Some cars are fast. Some cars are legends. But this is the Bugatti Chiron 2027. Over 1,500 horsepower, 250 miles per hour, and a design so perfect, it breaks reality. Welcome to Motorframe. Stay with us, you won't believe what's coming next. Pause 2 seconds, engine roar or cinematic whoosh. There are cars that impress. And then there are cars that redefine everything you thought was possible. For over a century, Bugatti has been building machines that are not just vehicles, but works of art. And now, the next evolution is here. The automotive world is changing. Electric power is rising. Regulations are tightening. And the age of unlimited combustion is slowly fading. But one car reminds us what perfection looks like, and why legends never truly die. This is the Bugatti Chiron 2027. A hypercar that may be the final chapter of an era, or the beginning of a new kind of legend. Bugatti has never followed trends. From the earliest Type 35 race cars to the record-breaking Veyron, the brand has always pursued extremes. When the original Chiron was unveiled, it didn't just outperform rivals, it humiliated them. Quad-turbo W16 engine. Over 1,500 horsepower. Engineering feats previously thought impossible in a road-legal car. Bugatti never stops refining perfection. The Chiron 2027 is not about rewriting history. It's about perfecting it, in a world where speed, luxury, and innovation are being redefined. At first glance, the Bugatti Chiron 2027 looks familiar, and that's intentional. Bugatti doesn't redesign icons. It evolves them. The horseshoe grille remains sharper, sleeker, more aerodynamic, integrated into advanced cooling systems. Every line has a purpose. Every curve controls airflow, heat, and stability at speeds beyond comprehension. Carbon fiber construction is lighter, stronger, more advanced than ever. The rear is aggressive. Active aerodynamics adapt in real time. From city streets to over 250 miles per hour, the car moves with total authority. This isn't designed for attention. This is designed for dominance. Step inside, and the philosophy becomes clear. This is not a race car pretending to be luxurious. It's a luxury car capable of terrifying speed. Hand-stitched leather. Polished aluminum. Carbon fiber woven with microscopic precision. The cabin is driver-focused, without overwhelming you. Digital displays integrate seamlessly, enhancing rather than distracting. Bugatti knows its audience, especially in the UK and USA. Performance without compromise, comfort without sacrifice. At 200 miles per hour, the Chiron still feels calm, composed, utterly refined. This balance is what separates Bugatti from the rest of the world. The heart of the Chiron 2027 is where engineering becomes legend. While Bugatti remains secretive on details, expectations are monumental. The legendary W16 engine evolves. Enhanced thermal efficiency. Improved turbocharging. Possibly hybrid-assisted torque delivery. Not for efficiency, but for instant, explosive power. Acceleration. Smooth, immediate, almost unreal. 0 to 60. Numbers barely matter. What matters is how it feels. The Chiron 2027 doesn't accelerate, it compresses time. Launch control, advanced traction systems, and adaptive suspension create an experience that feels otherworldly. Underneath the elegance lies pure engineering mastery. Cooling systems handle temperatures that would melt ordinary metals. Active aerodynamics adjust hundreds of times per second. Suspension adapts before the driver even notices. Every component is crafted to survive forces that would destroy normal vehicles. This is not mass-market engineering. This is perfection engineered at its absolute limits. Driving the Chiron 2027 isn't about showing off. It's about control. At low speeds, it's composed, calm, almost polite for a hypercar. Press the accelerator, and the transformation is instant. The car doesn't fight you. It doesn't struggle. It moves forward with unyielding authority. At high speeds, it remains planted, stable, and eerily calm. This isn't chaos. This is confidence engineered into motion. Faster electric hypercars exist. Lighter, experimental machines exist. Koenigsegg pushes innovation. Rimac pushes electrification. Ferrari pushes emotion. But Bugatti pushes finality. It's the absolute peak of combustion-era engineering. Heritage, luxury, and raw power in perfect harmony. No rival combines this trifecta like Bugatti. The Chiron 2027 is not for everyone. Production is limited. Pricing exceeds several $million. But buyers aren't buying numbers. They're buying history, exclusivity, a machine that will never be repeated. This isn't transportation. It's legacy. As the world shifts to electrification, the Chiron 2027 reminds us what was possible when limits didn't exist. It may be one of the last hypercars of its kind. A closing chapter of an era defined by sound, speed, and mechanical brilliance. The Bugatti Chiron 2027 doesn't ask for permission. It exists to prove a point. Perfection is still achievable, even in a changing world. Should cars like this be street legal? Perhaps not. But without them, the automotive world loses something irreplaceable. This is Bugatti at its absolute peak.